Hello friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Bluetooth remove failed problem in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you are also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, open your settings. Search here aeroplane mode. You can see here aeroplane mode. Open this option. Once you enable and disable, then disable this option. After that, close this window, go to the services, search here Bluetooth audio gateway services, select this option, click on properties, select here automatic, then click on apply, click on OK. Right click on Bluetooth support services, click on properties, here also select automatic, click on apply, click on OK. Then last option Bluetooth user support services, right click on this, click on properties, here also select automatic, then click on apply. After that, close this window. Last and final option, update your Bluetooth drivers. Go to the device manager, then update from here Bluetooth drivers. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.